excited ukuthi oh ngaze emshadweni wakho wathola yini ibhodlela yakhe phathele lona ngamtshela nangendaba yokuthi usazomthengela igift yomshado. I think ukuthi uma wena bese ayibonile ivideo yakho ye-club mina bengazi should I have known bengengize ngim-accept should I have known nje bengengize ngim-accept. I waqala ke I'm not going to repeat what she said. Then she started saying izinto which I think beyizinto eziza ngakwena.
Yeah.
I thought ukuthi mhlawumbe uzosho one sentence bese siqhubekela and there is ipart ye video where I even asked her ukuthi ningakwazi ukuthi nihlaleni phansi ikhulunywe lento phakathi kwenu. And ngikuzwile kade uphendula wena uretaliator ukuthi abantu abafakile ivideo didn't put everything, and I was so pissed off for the fact that why that part wasn't wasn't recorded. The part where I even asked her ukuthi if uSkhothane ngathi hlalani phansi noma wena uthi nihlale phansi. I didn't call your name, but I referred because I knew what she was talking about.
Yes.
See, and she said there's just too much. I don't remember if she said maybe or but then there's too much that have been said. And immediate because immediate you understand? Live. I was excited also because I love Dominic. I was head you know, I just didn't understand sharing internet because there's always a drama. Dominic may figure I now we bonileke oivid and bengilokhu ngiphuza ama ayisami ngiqasha, and I want to tell you Skhothane, I do ngigowishile ngalento because angikazi ngibe kwi scandal and ngivula uFacebook every ngikuledo nami, you know, ngiyavula uFacebook nawe uretaliatile uphendule okwami ngize okusho ngami ngize ngakubona with a friend kunomngane nami ongisendele smallanyana video and I was just like Nkosami angishongo lutho. Of course I did think ukuthi uzothi mangabe usubuya ungifake nami kodwa ngcono ngoba ushongo ukuthi singane zoma sesi Destiny's Child.
I think Destiny's Child ngoba uBeyonce akekho ngithe mina ni uPowerpuff Girls.
Anyway, bengazi ukuthi kuzokwenzeka ngikhethe some fire kuledo kodwa namanje, and I did say kuma video and ngishilo ukuthi if I said something ngawe bengizoxolisa, but ayikho into engishilo bengi uncomfortable with the fact ukuthi kwi live yami kukhulunywa ngabanye abantu, and at that time I should have disconnected or ngithi kunenkinga ye network, but I didn't, and we are here and I second this engayenza, you know. Okay. And angingeni for uDominic nawe, angingeni for umaweni nawe. I have a relationship nabo angawaqala ngawe. You understand? uDominic personally asakabonani, and I would love to meet him. I would love to see him. We are more close kuma games and conversation lana we call sometimes go WhatsApp mase ukuthi enye into engifuna ukuyiclearisha because I'm not sucking anyone's ass and I will never suck anyone's ass with anything guys. Ngiyabathanda bawuthu kodwa anginayo igroup nabo enginayo kwi WhatsApp ukuthi siyaxoxa ku WhatsApp. There is a sentence elishiwo laphana kwi video and liyangishrinkisa lelokuthi sizokhuluma ku WhatsApp. There is nothing esikhulumayo ku WhatsApp. I don't even remember when was the last time ngikhuluma noMaweni, but I do have Maweni ku WhatsApp wami. I do have a number. uDominic inamba yakhe angiyazi ngayiseva ngokuthini and ngisazokhuluma vele nabo ku WhatsApp, but there is nothing esikhuluma ngawe mina nabo ku WhatsApp.
Ngicela ukukhuluma ke babe ngiyakuzwa. Number 1 ne iphutha lakho ukuthi uma bakhuluma ngami you gave them a platform.
I know.
Nina uIno akazwani no Dominic, but I accepted him now on the live. Ithema kangitshela ukuthi ngiyakubona uya trender. I knew ukuthi kuyoba ngathi siyahlangana ngavele ngathi angazi next because I'm not going to discuss uDominic no Ino or wena no Ino because I can discuss things with you. Wena you gave people platform. If wena labantu mabacala bakhuluma ngokuthi iClub anginayo mabacala bekumele uthi no guys I don't want to talk about that. I'm saying when are you guys going to meet? Do you understand? Kuphela uIno ungenile la mina ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi akazwani no Dominic ithi makangibuza ngalento ngavele ngathi angazi next. Why? Because sengimnika iroom yokuthi we have the same enemy but that does not make us friends. That doesn't mean ukuthi mina no Ino mele sikhulume ke la si discuss abanye abantu. That is your problem and you were laughing about it towards everything that they said about me. Uhleka kanjani into abayikhuluma kabi ngomunye umuntu wesifazana baze bafake imangcede mawukhuluma bengithulile sithando. Yima ngicede baze bafake indoda yami Mina nginankinga ningakhuluma ngami ningakhuluma ngeingalo zami ningakhuluma about my fake life about my fake business ngikujwayele lokho do not
Banga.
involve my husband do not involve my kids because you will get me my husband will not retaliate but I will retaliate on his behalf because I'm his half and mina ngiyakhona ukukhuluma kodwa vele maningeza nizongishaya cha angeke ngizobaleka. But one thing I will never
No.
when no see ukhulumile babe ngathula asenze njalo ke nakimi yabona Sandra mina add Dominic now on this live and ask her one thing what did I do to him or her ngiyakutshela.
No, I mean, Skosani, I think ukuthi maybe that would be nice ukuthi ni edane nikhulume and then maybe nizoxabana bese egcineni kuba noxolo. You understand?
Blockile shema bangani bami bangiblockile bandla and mina ngina problem but
Mina ngisiblockile ngirestrictiwe to my other account. This is my backup account. And ivele ngithe ngena la ngezwe uthi ena ublock mina angiblock umuntu to this situation. Bese kuthi ngiyacela ukuthi Sikhotheni yabo nje busho ukuthi mina ngihoste abantu abakhulume ngawe and ukuhleka kwami I was more laughing on being uncomfortable with not knowing ukuthi what to do kule situation but I wasn't more laughing ngezinto ebezisho. Kukhona okunye engasho ukuthi okay ngikuhlekile but it wasn't more ukuthi bengihleka into ebishiwo kuwena. Okay ke ngisho ngathiwe ngithatha yonke accountability ngihlekile I was on the video angikwazi ukubuyisela emuva Sikhotheni but angizange ngize ngisho lutho ngoba kweyingane zakho noma ngomkhonyana wakho. I didn't say anything about you kuphela nje ukuthi I do isingisi sithi I take accountability ku ekuthenini it was said on my life and angenzanga lutho ngihlalile lapha ngathula ngalalela kukhulunywa ngomunye umuntu ngikhona which yeah sifunda ngamaphutha iphutha lenzakalile and if ukunyathelile lokho ncese but I didn't say anything about you. Yeah and it will never happen again. It will never happen. Ngilenile izolo ukuthi umuntu afake indaba yomunye umuntu noma igama lomunye umuntu komele ukuthi ngimdisconnect because kungcono ukuthi ngibe ngisemanzini anje abilayo ngibe ngokwami ngibe ngazi ukuthi ngenzeni. And I also did hear abantu bethi ena bengifuna ukutrend bakithi if bengifuna ukutrend ngabe nami ngishilo bengibusho ngadicilela indaba engayazi engahlangene nayo. And should I have known? Should I have I didn't intend for this. Should I have known ukuthi bazongena bekhulume ngawe? I wasn't going to accept them, you know. I wasn't going to be excited.
No, I think no see I want to ask you something Kancane. Are you apologizing because I retaliated or are you apologizing because you did it? Because believe you in me, if I did not retaliate, you are not going to come back and apologize, babe. You are not. Because yima kancane ungunderstand why ngisho kanjalo. You are not going to come back and apologize. When you are apologizing now because I retaliated and wase uyabona ukuthi usungene phakathi kwento kanje meaning lento bebayenza ubungaboni iproblem ngayo that's why you continued and before uDominic angena already wena no maweni bese niqalile nikhuluma ngami
bese khuluma cha I was allowing
okay yima ungangene emlomeni sandwa sami because it looks like an argument. Mina ngimawukhuluma ngiyakuhlonipha ngiyathula wena you are only apologizing because lento njengoba ushilo kwasecaleni ukuthi uyibone sebakusendela ama video. If I did not retaliate you are not going to apologize so meaning you don't say anything wrong about it. Usubona into wrong because uSikhotheni sekunezinto ayishilo. Why did you say from the beginning uma wena khuluma nawe wayikhatha kuse kwangena omunye umuntu wesithathu still you didn't see anything wrong about it. You saw something wrong now you are only apologizing because isi fake uSikhotheni or retaliating. However I accept your apology and I apologize also for anything that I said to you. Next time please avoid it even from any other person. You don't know ukuthi uma wena ungibangisana to see ukuthi this thing it's even bigger. She's involving my kids. I don't care about her. I don't care about uDominic but however I feel sorry for uDominic because ungena emlilweni angawuqalanga yena. Umlilo wami noma wena akawuqalanga uDominic. Until this day I will not even point why is Maweni upset with me. You understand? So she will not even point out herself. Do you understand? But
Imagi Scotten nawe musufaka kakhulu maweni because now you know I know ukuthi izinto ezingalaba but let's
why
just
yena ungamkhuzanga makangifaka nonsi as much
Because
as manje whoa baby yima baby as much as manje uyakhona ukuthi Scotten whoa why ungathanga maweni whoa
ngeke phela ngiphinde imistake eyodwa kaningi Scotten ngeke ngiphinde imistake eyodwa kaningi ngiyavuma ngilenzile iphutha so namanje ngiyazama ukuthi you understand asikhulumeni mina nawe sikhuluma kwethu ngeke ngiphinde imistake eyodwa kawu2
okay inkinga yakho ukuthi wena mawukhuluma ngiyathula noma ungakhulumi hour but mina mangikhuluma awuthuli uyabona baby inkinga yileko sithandwa sami mina I said I forgive you and I said forgive me as well uma ngabe ngikuphathe kabi mina ngikuphathe kabi based on 1 2 3 4 5 and I was not gonna keep quiet because it's involving my family mina noma ungathini kimi noma ungenzani ngami ayangiretaliate baby there are so many people ngizifakile mina ku social media and by doing that meaning it's abantu must have an opinion about my life but not my family babe that's the only reason why I retaliated mina abantu bahlezi bakhuluma ngami angisho next so the reason why ngithi mina ngicela uEde uDominic or uEde uGirl it's because you have access to them I don't as much as bathe abangisabi mina ngiyabasaba vele ngigwala lenkosi vele yabona manje ngisemotweni ngikhile angifune empama next mara vele emlomeni ngivulele ngizokhuluma bathi-ke bengicela nje ukuthi uma ngabe uyakhona uba Ede sithandwa sami again I repeat uma ngabe ngirong kubo boyithu hayi ayidlishiyele ngizokhona ukuqolisa however I'm not sorry for retaliating but if they can get into this life and say Scotseni this is what you did to me hayi baby mina ngizoxolisa believe in me mina I'll apologize if Dominic gets on this life and says when Scotseni wenze 1 2 3 I'm telling you Nas I won't even apologize secretly I'll apologize on this life because it's a public why mele ngiphoqa umuntu public bese ngixolisa private I won't do that I'll apologize here nonsi I'll apologize here to both of them mabangasho ukuthi wena gogo uthe 1 2 3 4 5 hayibo mangithi vele ngishilo hayibo mangithi vele ngirong ngizoxolisa ngaphandle kwaloko I'm not taking back what I said on the life that has that concerns the both of them
yeah I feel you okay Scotseni usuqedile dala asizeni kulokho ukuthi mina njengamanje ngi-apologize because say when you retaliate you know even after the live not before after sebehambile even kusayi live bengilokhu ngishilo because I knew ukuthi into ebeyenzeka ibi wrong bengilokhu ngishilo ukuthi how am I my mother ngisho sengiqedile I was like my mother uzongibuza ukuthi ngingena ngapi bengisuke ngapi i-live izobe nje you understand meaning ukuthi bengazi ukuthi ku wrong also manje before ngene kule live bengilapha ku YouTube I even said lapha ku YouTube ukuthi I did think about texting you ngithi sorry but at the same time I asked myself ukuthi but angishongo lutho kwi live so bengayiboni ngingathola amachaphazelo yes ngihostile yes and also when you say ukuthi kungena umuntu wesithathu ophinde okhuluma ngawo bengazi bengitshela ukuthi mayingena uDominic ngizojabulela uDominic ukuthi ubuyile you understand ukuthi ukhona kwi internet I didn't think ukuthi mayifika uDominic kuzo bazoqhubeka kube into abaqhubeka abayikhulumayo you know but ke since sesikhulumile ku right I wish izolo ngithe ku Dominic kwi live yakhe I am hoping ngithe ku Dominic what if she I call it Dominic she sometimes and he so abantu bangabe confused and ngizomadressa in anyhow yes ngizomadressa anyhow I said to her yesterday ukuthi what if she was apologizing to you and she said ukuthi uzokwenza ukuthi waposta mhlawumbe upost apology or ukhulume ngayi apology and then I said ukuthi what if there was a third person ongaba khona ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nikhulume uDominic asho ukuthi yena yini emhlayo nawe mhlawumbe bese kuba ne peace phakathi and uthena if there was umuntu wesithathu and also uzosho nawe ukuthi what you said ngaye then ningakwazi ukuthi nibe nayo ipeace And I don't know. I think ukuthi
Yazi since he said that to you, you can add him ube a third party as much as bakwazile ukuyenza third party before. So meaning mhlambe wena ungathula nje ku lifestyle lo, because angifuni futhi ukuqabanisa nabo boy two, because you have a relationship with them. After this life you don't have to ukuthi ubaqabane nawe bangazwani nawe. Do you understand? You can add them. You can add them. Mina I want him to tell me ukuthi ngimenzeni. I'm not fighting.
No.
I'm not fighting with him at all, and I will never.
No,
This is your problem, and I will accept it.
ngicela kube omunye. Mina nje ngiyajabula ukuthi njengamanje I'm clear. We are clear. I don't have a problem with you. I've never had a problem with you. We are clear. But see, when it comes on being the third part, no. Ngiyacela bandla nithola umuntu omdala, guys. Nithola umuntu omdala.
Sibadala already thina. Lento ayidinga abantu abadala, baby. When you start something, fana nangaphandle, mawuya emlilweni uthosa inkuni. Anyeke ufuna umunye umuntu akuphathele umatches. Mele uyothosa inkuni uphinde ube no matches, uphinde ube namakapha, uphinde ube na yonke into ukuze ulayite lo mlilo. Lento ayidinga abantu abayi3. Idinga ukuthi omunye akhuluma, omunye athule, omunye akhuluma, omunye athule kuphela.
Why ningadiyemani? Why wena sikhotheni ngoba uyafisa ukuthi nikhulume, which is
blockile shema bangani bambandla. Bangiblockile mina ngibablockanga. Uyayibona njalo? Angibablockanga mina.
I don't think ukuthi bayangifollowa kule account futhi ngoba uyi-backup lena ngi-restrictiwe until Sunday le so ngiyasaba nje kwaye manje ngiyasaba. So I think ukuthi ukhona omunye umuntu ongani-add ongayenza ukuthi nibe right. Futhi ke Skhotheni nginesho ukuthi unayo i-phone number maybe yayedwa wabo like uDominic.
Lalela baby. Labantu bangiblock ngisho bangiblocka nasempilweni. Bablocka ama WhatsApp, bakhuluma nje ku social media kusho ukuthi bafuna ngiphendule ku social media. Believe you in me. Mina if bebangangiblockanga, I was looking for them now. On my TikTok. Even now, you see, I'm searching. Ubani uDominic ne?
But mina seku right yonke into si right. Shuthi the seku clear. Sesi right, you know. So mina ke sengiyehla and I hope ukuthi uzobathola and I hope ukuthi kuzoba nepeace. I hope ukuthi ukhona umuntu wesithathu ozofika anenze ukuthi nihlangane ngoba mabe blockile kusho ngeke ukwazi ukukhuluma nabo, and it would be nice yazi mangase nonke nibe nayo ipeace, and I pray for only peace, and I hope
sometimes it's not about having peace. Nedi nje kumele sifunde ukungadelelani. You cannot get along with me. Uhlala ungazwani nami but ungangideleli. Nami ngingazwani nawe but ngingakudeleli. Like singadelelani. Just because we are not friends or we don't like each other kusho ukuthi mele sidelelani. Mele nje singadelelani. I'm not talking to them because I'm not saying I want to talk to them because I want peace. No, they must not misquote me. I am saying ukhuluma kwami nabo it might make izinto zibe lula ukuthi asingakhosi ama boundaries. Yebo asizwani but asingadelelani. Yabo, because vele into engishoyo if bona bangeza ngimpama vele ngiyobaleka ngithatha nama box ngifihle ngaphansi kwemoto. Vele nje impama ngiyisaba ukufa, but ngomlomo ngiyabona ukuthi kuyakhuphuka kakhulu kuyaphezulu.
Yeah, Weskhotheni 1 second. Lo othi ena umsuni, lo othi you don't want peace, vele nifida labo devilish bena abangaphakathi bemsulu ngokuthi nilokhu nixova. You don't want peace yamasimba.
No, ungalwike dala. Ungalwehlisa nje umoya iBP izophakama. Yehlisa nje umoya. And also you must understand, I'm not the only one affected. Nabantu baba affected. People were in my son's life from when he was born.
I mean Skhotheni.
Wena manje. Ngutumbi langadelela Skhotheni kunzima dala.
Ngicela ukwehla Skhotheni.
Asilwi la kulena asithukani asilwi nabantu because abantu are gonna have an opinion based on what was happening, yabo?
Yes. Nqamnqa dala. Nqamnqa phela.
Thank you. asilwi la asilwi asasiloko sithukanani ukuthi umunye makabhala into obhalayo la ubhala into according to the way I feel ngakhona asifight asilwi nomuntu obhalayo la simlisi umuntu obhalayo based on umuntu obhalayo la usuka bhala based on ngathini based on feeling yakhe uyabona asilwi guys la asilwi nibonile ke guys but at least ke ningasamfaki